until all others join. Till then, I have a very interesting video for you guys. Yeah. Okay. There you guys go. Okay, I can see few of you guys here. Yes. Trilochan, hi. Manish.
Click this checkbox over here.
Okay, guys. Okay, just give me a second. Yes. Okay, show me a thumbs up if you can see the video and also hear it. Okay. Yes. So did you guys enjoy the video? Yes. Yeah, I can see all of you guys showing your thumbs up. Great, guys. And I could also see Ishan and many others, you know. You guys enjoyed a lot, didn't you? Yes? Yeah. Great. Okay, guys. So I can see that lots of students have joined now, and let's begin. But before that, I want you guys to quickly go and grab your parents so that I can give them very important information about what's going to come next. Yes, and do let me know. Yeah, you can send me an emoji and let me know that your parents are here. Okay, I can see the parents joining. Yes. Sahaj. Yes, I got your thumbs up. Ashwin, I got yours. Yes, Harsh. Yes. Okay, I can see all the parents joining now. Yes. Great, guys. So, hey, parents. Welcome to the first ever revision marathon presented by 98th Percentile. Revise and not memorize. Now, a small disclaimer here that this session is recorded for quality and marketing purposes. So keep your smiling faces on. So let me first introduce about myself. My name is Amrita and I'm a math enthusiast as well as a physicist. I love spending time listening to music, singing, watching informational videos, and also solving challenging puzzles. So let me tell you what is the purpose of this revision marathon. Well, the main aim is to take out that exam anxiety out of the students, give them an opportunity to revise, and also give them fruitful results for all the efforts they are putting in. So this is brought to you by 98th Percentile. And who are we? We 98th Percentile are online e-learning company, and we cater to the grades 1 to 12 of math, 1 to 8 of English, and coding classes as per age and their interests. We are also very proud to announce our public speaking course that's going to come very soon. Now, what is the specialty about our classrooms are that our classes are giving you a live environment where you can interact with the teacher, and there are just small group of 4 students per teacher, where a teacher can give personalized attention to the students. And we also make sure that all the skill gaps of students are fixed and we can focus on their acceleration. So what all are the benefits now that our students enjoy over here is that they get personalized learning experience. They're assessed weekly as well as monthly. They're always ahead of the accelerated curriculum. That's whatever is going on in the school. And we make sure that all the skill gaps are fixed from the current as well as the previous grades. Not only that, they also get access to the award-winning platforms to practice math. Now, all these for 8 times the value of money they pay. Isn't that great? Okay, now why do our customers love us? This is a very interesting question. Kindly look at the link in the chat section there, where you can find your answer. Well, I can also show you here few of the reviews given by our parents who really love us. Okay, now let me introduce to one of the brightest stars of 98th Percentile, Gokul. So Gokul has been with us for last 2 years and is now currently enrolled in Algebra 2 classes with us. Not only that, he's also enrolled in Algebra honors classes in high school, and he's doing excellently well. Look at what his parents have to say, and also his scoreboard. Okay, so now let's come to the revision marathon. Now, revision marathon is brought to you by 98th Percentile. This is a wonderful opportunity where all 5 domains of grade 5 will be covered, which are based on Common Core state standards in just 5 weeks. We will be utilizing Zoom and Kahoot sessions for a game-based learning event. And in just 5 weeks, your child will be ready for the upcoming exams. So, dear parents, here are some guidelines. Kindly have a look at them. Let me also mention a few of them for you. So, we have handpicked few topics which most of the child find difficulty in, and we will be discussing those topics today. And since this is a webinar session and we have lots of participants here, addressing individual doubts would be a bit difficult. So we would ask you to please leverage the chat section. Students who are enrolled with us in the 98th percentile, if you have any individual doubts during practice, you guys can surely take help of your 98th percentile teacher during the class time. And those who are not enrolled with us, you can always apply for free trial classes. Kindly have a look at the link in the chat section where you can enroll with us. Okay. So what all will be covered in the revision marathon are the 5 domains of operation of grade 5. Those are operations and algebraic thinking, numbers and operations in base 10, fractions, measurements and data, as well as geometry. So what all are the benefits here you're going to get is that since all these classes will be exam focused classes, your child will be able to analyze, revise, and also be well in advance prepared for the exam. And not only that, since these are live Kahoot sessions, the child will be enjoying while he's studying. That's not it. We also will be providing you with practice worksheets which you can work after the sessions. So, and all these for no participation fee at all. So our session structure would go as follows. So children will be given questions to solve, and once the children answer them, the teacher will be explaining that concept to the child. And post this session, we will be also giving you practice worksheets to work upon. So let's begin. And kindly have a look at the skills that are going to be covered in the first domain. Great. I think you have gone through the skills. So, dear parents, thank you very much for being very patient and listening to all the information. There's just one last thing, one last request, that please help your child set up their devices for the Kahoot session. Yes. So I can see a few of you showing that you're already set. Very good. Yes, guys. Yes. Trilochan, I can see. Yes, Damira, I can see you. Sahaj, yes. Great. Yes. So you guys already know how to do this. Very good. So those children who do not know how to do this, dear parents, kindly help them out with this. So you just have to do 2 steps. The first step is already being done. That is logging into Zoom for the session. The second thing we have to do is have a second device that can be a smartphone or a tablet and log into kahoot.it. Kahoot.it. So you will be given with a game pin that will be displayed on your screen in some time, and you just have to plug in that game pin and then we are good to go. Yeah, and you guys can give all your attractive names and IDs over there. Yes, yes, Trilochan, I can see you. Yes, Visa, I can see you. Yes, Dimira, right? Is that how I pronounce your name? Yes, my dear. Okay. Yes. So all of you give me an emoji that telling that you guys are set and ready to go. Yeah. Okay, Nihal, I can see yours. Nyasya, Nisa, is that how I pronounce your name, my dear? Yes. Yes. Okay, Sahaj, Jonah, sorry, Joan, is it Joan? Yes. Okay. Dhatri. Yes. So I assume that all you guys have set it up. So let's now begin. Okay. So in just a few seconds, you will be having your game pin on the screen. Do you guys see my screen? Do you see this game pin there? If yes, you guys know what to do. Yes, my dear. Okay. Okay, I can see all the students joining here. Okay, I see that all of you guys have joined. Yeah, send me an emoji, guys, saying that you're all set. Yes. Joan, I can see you. Yes. Sagarwal, JP Sagarwal, I can see you. Sahaj, Dhatri, yes, I can see you. Yes. Advait, Ayana, yes, I can see you, my dear. Yeah, Shrinika, hi. Okay, so you guys can, yes, yes, that means we are all good to go. So let's now begin. Ready? Okay. All the best, guys. Do well. Okay. So your question for the first domain is here. Okay. So you have 3 times 4 times 5 is same as 5 times 4 times 3 according to which property? Great. I can see that you guys have given, most of you have given the right answer, right? Yes. So the right answer for this question is the blue option, which says commutative property. Now, how do you guys tell this is commutative property, guys? Yeah? Okay, I will give you a very interesting way of remembering what a commutative property is. Now, do you see that 3 times 4 times 5 is same as 5 times 4 times 3 is what is given, right? So, guys, can you see me writing? If yes, send me an emoji quickly. Yes, Ayana, William, I can see you guys. Yes, great, guys. Thank you. Thank you. So, you guys can see that 3 times 4 times 5 equals 5 times 4 times 3 is what is given. Do you see that 3 has now gone to this place over here and 5 has come to this place over here? Do you see the numbers commuting? Yes? Yes, that's why this is the commutative property. Isn't that easy to remember? Okay, so let's see how many of you have given me the right answer and who all have given. Let's see. Okay. Okay, TST. I can see that you are the one who has scored the highest, 922. Very good. And I can see many of you guys have given all the right answers. Great going, guys. And those who weren't able to give the right answer this time, I hope you guys have understood what it is, right? Okay, so let's go to the next question now, shall we? Yes. So the next question we have is, by associative property, 2 times 3 times 4 in the parentheses is equivalent to blank. Yes, I can see that this is coming. Okay, so here we have 38 students have given me the right answers, and yes, the yellow option is the right answer. Now, if you guys see this question, 2 times 3 times 4 is equivalent to blank. Yeah, so we know that by associative property, first a number associates. Now this 3 has associated with 4, whereas in this case where we have 2 times 3 inside the parentheses times 4, 3 is now associated with 2. That means, you guys see, the first association was with 4, the second association is now with 2. Since the numbers are associated differently here, we call this associative property, and the right answer is the yellow one. I hope you guys understood this and have no doubt in commutative and associative property now. Yes? Let's see who all have given me the right answer. Okay, now Shrika, you are leading. Very good. You see, anything can change anytime. So you guys play well. Okay, and we can say you're up 12 places. They've heard. Great job. Keep it up. Let's see the next question, guys. Okay, when distributive property is applied on 6 times x plus y minus z plus 3, we get blank. Yes, I can see all the answers coming very quickly. Just 5 seconds. Okay, your time's up. So the right answer for this question is 6x plus 6y minus 6z plus 18. And the option blue. Now, how is this answer correct? Let's see. So if you see in the question they have given, we have x plus y minus z plus 3 inside the parentheses. Now, all these terms inside the parentheses have a common term 6 outside, or should I say it in a very funny way, a common friend who is sitting outside. Now, this common friend needs to have time with all of these buddies, right? So 6 times x gives 6x, 6 times y gives 6y, minus 6 times z, and 6 times 3. That is 18. So the right answer is the option blue. I hope you guys understood the distributive property and you have no doubts in associative, commutative, and distributive property. If yes, show me your thumbs up. Yes. Great. Okay. So let's see who has given the right answer this time. Okay, the first person. Okay, now Anjad, I can see that you are topping, and is Hamster, you are 15 places up. Very good. Keep up the good work, guys. Okay, let's see the next question we have. Select the correct option. Rearrange the sentence, my Sally aunt, dear excuse please, in the order of operations, and choose what comes second in the order. time is now up and the right answer is exponents. Now, before I tell you guys how this answer is right, just look at this question again. Do you see the sentence which is given a bit not in order? And do you know the right way of, using this sentence? Yeah. So I want you guys to quickly type the right way of telling this sentence in the right order and send it to me in the chat section, guys. And once you send it, again, a thumbs up. Okay, I can see that few of you guys have already sent. Okay, very good. Yes, the right way of telling this is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Or if I just write the first letters of all these, what I get is PEMDAS, isn't it? Yeah. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So the second operation which comes is exponents. That's why the answer for this question is exponents. I hope the question is clear and you remember the sentence which we have to remember, the PEMDAS, right? Great. So let's see how many gave me the right answer and who is in the top list now. Okay, Anjad, you're leading. And 4 players have reached the answer streak 3. Great going, guys. Okay. Let's see the next question now. What do you think is the solution for the following? You have an expression given over here. 4 plus 6 times 3 in the parentheses minus, in the braces minus, in the brackets we have 2 divided by 5 in the parentheses minus 4. You guys are very quick, aren't you? I can see all answers coming so soon. Yes. Okay, just have few seconds left. Okay, so I have all your answers here. Yes, so the right answer for this question is 21. And 31 of you have given me the right answer. Very good, guys. So let's see how this is the right answer. So we have 4 plus 6 times 3 inside the braces, and in the brackets we have 225 divided by 5 minus 4, right? So we know that we need to work with the parentheses first, then comes the brackets, and then comes the braces, right? So imagine that you are standing over here and you need to come out of this maze and free yourself. How will you do this? First, solve what is given inside the parentheses. 25 divided by 5, which is 5. So now this parentheses is gone. We just have 5 minus 4 in the brackets with all others, that is 4 plus 6 times 3. Here. Next, we need to work with the brackets. We have 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. There is a subtraction here. And we have, this is subtracted from the product of 6 and 3, which is 18. So we just have 18 minus 1 in the braces and plus 4 outside. 18 minus 1 is 17 and plus 4 gives you 21. So the right answer is therefore 21. Are you guys clear with how we solve this? Yeah? Okay, guys, great. Let's see how many of you are doing great now. Okay, I can see that Anjad, you are leading still. Very good. And Klaus and Sinami, you have come up. Very good. Very good. Excellent job, guys. So those who guys, if you can't see your name on the scoreboard, don't worry. You still have good amount of questions left over here. Okay. And you can do them really well. You can talk. Yes. Let's see next. Simplifying which expression would result in 6? I can see the answers coming already. Great, you just have 27 seconds. Okay, your time's up. Yes, so the right answer is option yellow. And 28 of you guys have given me the right answer. Very good. So let's see, how is this the right answer? So we have 22 minus 4 in the parentheses, divided by 2 in the brackets, and minus 6 inside, all these inside the braces, plus 3. Now what will we guys do here? First work with the parentheses, isn't it? So 22 minus 4 is 18 divided by 2 minus 6 plus 3. Then comes, we need to work with this. 18 divided by 2 is 9 minus 6 plus 3. Next, we would work with this. 9 minus 6 is 3. So all the brackets, the parentheses and braces are all gone. We just have 3 and plus 3 from here. So the answer is 6. You see, that's why only this expression would result in 6. I hope this is clear to all those who didn't give the right answer. If yes, you know what you do. Yes, great guys. Okay, let's see who is in the which position now. Great. And how are you guys doing? Oh, Anjad, I can see that you are still topping. Very good. And 5 players have reached answer streak 3. Great, guys. And 3 of you guys have come up in the scoreboard. Very good. Okay. So let's see what we have next. Okay. So what should be added to 3 plus 4 times 8 minus 1 to make it equivalent to 3 plus 4 in the parentheses times 8 minus 1 in the parentheses? I already have few answers coming. Very good. Lightning quick you guys are, aren't you? the time's up. And the right answer is option red. And 23 guys, you guys have given me the right answer. Now let's see how was this true. So we need to work with these expressions individually. So we have 3 plus 4 times 8 minus 1. 3 plus 4 times, you know that we would work with the parentheses first. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now you have addition and multiplication. Always remember, you need to use PEMDAS. So in this, we need to first work with the multiplication, then comes the addition. So 4 times 7 gives you 28 plus 3, which is equal to 31. Now, what do we do next? See, with this expression, we have 3 plus 4 in the parentheses times 8 minus 1. So 3 plus 4 is 7 times 8 minus 1 is 7 again. So 7 times 7 gives me a 49. Now what should the question is, now what should I add to this expression to make it equivalent to this? Yes, we need to add 18 to 31 to make it a 49. So the right answer is 18. Great going, guys. I hope you guys have understood. Yes? Okay. Before we move ahead to the next question, I have a small question for you guys. So now, till now, we have gone through associative property, distributive property, commutative property. We have also gone through parentheses, braces, and brackets, and also the order of operations, isn't it? Yeah. Now, the next question coming to you guys is something related to this. Now, while we were dealing with the commutative and associative property, we know that we were multiplying there, isn't it? The question was, if you remember, it was 3 times 4 times 5 is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3, right? Yes. So I have a question that is, which all operations holds good in case of commutative and associative property? Is it addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction? Which among these holds good in commutative and associative property? Quickly give me your answers in the chat section, guys. Yes, I give you 30 seconds to do this quickly. Okay, I can already see the answers coming. Very good. Okay, let me now tell you what the right answer is. Commutative and associative property. These hold good only in case of addition and multiplication. The reason is that, you see, 2 times 3 is same as 3 times 2, but 2 divided by 3 is not same as 3 divided by 2. Therefore, division doesn't hold good. Only multiplication does. Same way, 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Both are equal to 5. But 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore, commutative property does not hold good. Same is with the associative property. They do not hold good. The reason is we would use the parentheses first to solve, isn't it? So I hope you guys are clear with this. Let's now see how many guys have reached the scoreboard. I can see that, yes, Anjad is still topping and is on the top, 5,668. Very good. And 9, Nathan, you have come up with 9 places. Very good. Very good. And great going, guys. You guys are doing really well. Okay. Let's see the next question we have. Which of the following can be the value of 20 minus x divided by 3 minus 2 plus x times 5 plus 4 if x equals 12. Okay, great. I can see you guys answering. Yes. You still have more than a minute left. So 10 seconds left. Okay, so I have all your answers here and look at you guys. Yes, 78 is the right answer and you guys, 30 of you have given me the right answer. Let's see, how is this the right answer? The blue option, how is that? So we need to first plug in the value of x that's given as 12 in the given expression. So we have 20 minus 12 divided by 3 minus 2 plus, again in the place of x we would put 12 times 5 plus 4. Now we need to solve this. So work with the parentheses first in both the cases. So 20 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now these are inside the brackets. Minus 2 plus 12 times 5 is what we need to do first, which gives us 60 plus 4. Now work with the brackets. 20 minus 4 is 16 minus 2 plus 60 plus 4 is 64. 16 minus 2 gives you 14 plus 64. Now if you add the ones place, 4 and 4 gives you 8, and the tens place, 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So the answer is 78. I hope you guys are good with this. Thumbs up if you are. Great, I can see you guys. Yes. Let's see how many gave me the right answer. And you see, anything can change anytime. And 3-3, you are topping. And Saya has the highest answer streak of 8. Great, my dear. Wait, very good. And you have already reached this point over here. Yes. They've heard you're also great going up. Very good. Let's see the next question then. The sum of 8 and 4 is divided among 2 people. This can be expressed as. Left. Okay, so the right answer is the option green, and 32 of you have given me the right answer. Very good. Now, how do I write this given statement in terms of mathematical expression? So they have said the sum of 8 and 4. Sum stands for the answer you get after adding something. So 8 should be added with 4. This whole thing is then divided among 2 people. So inside the parentheses is 8 plus 4. That is divided by 2. So 32 have given me the right answer. Great going, guys. Now I have few questions for you. If this sum was replaced by product, then what would your answer be? Quickly put your answers in the chat section, guys. Let me see how many of you will give me the right answer. If the sum was replaced by product, the product of 8 and 4 is divided among two people, then what would your answer be? Put it in the chat section, guys, quickly. And once you're done, show me your emojis. Great. Yes, I can see. Demira, you have done it. Nisa, yes. Pilochan, yes. Dhatri, yes, my dear. Jasrina, yes. Ayana. Shrinika. One more, Shrinika. Okay. Great. Yes. Vihan also. Very good, guys. So, you see, product is the answer or something which you get when you multiply two factors, right? 8 times 4 should be it divided by 2. That's the right answer. Okay. Similarly, if this product was given as difference, then that would be subtraction. Difference would go for subtraction. And if that was given as quotient, quotient would stand for the answer you get when you divide something. So that would be division. Okay, so in case of subtraction, it would be 8 minus 4. And in case of division, it would be 8. That's quotient. It would be 8 divided by 4. I hope the concept is clear to you guys. Okay, so let's now see who stands where. Okay, now I can see that Anjad, you have gone up again. You have topped again. So nice. S is back with an answer streak of 3. Very nice. Very good. Great going. Let's see the next question. Are you guys ready for it? Great. 4 less than 7 squared can also be written as blank. Okay, only a few seconds left. Okay, and your time is up. So I can see 32 of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is the option blue. So they have given you 4 less than something. There is something and that is less than, that is subtracted by 4 is what it means. Now, what is that something? Is 7 squared. 7 squared is written as 7 raised to the power of 2. So 7 squared minus 4 is nothing but 4, which is less than something that is 7 squared. So the answer is 7 squared minus 4. Great, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, Tree, you're again on the top. And Saya, you have a streak with 10 correct answers in a row. Great going. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's see the next question then. So select the correct options. Ria's father is 8 times older than Ria, and Ria is half as old as her brother Rick, who is 12 years old. How old is Ria's father? Okay, guys. Yes, I can see that 21 of you guys have given me the right answer, and the right answer for this question is 48 years. Now let's see how this is the right answer. Ria's father is 8 times older than Ria. So let me write F for father. Ria's father is 8 times older than Ria. So let me write RI for Ria. And then they have given Ria is half as old as her brother Rick. Ria is half, one half, as old as her brother Rick. Let me write R-I-C-K for Rick. They have also given us that Rick is 12 years old. So let me plug in the value as 12 in place of Rick here. So 1 over 2 times 12. Now you guys see, we can cancel this off. 2 times 1 and 2 times 6 makes it 12. So Ria is 6 years old. So we just found Ria's age. We need to find Ria's father's age because that's what is asked. Ria's father's age. Ria's father's age is 8 times that of Ria's age. So Ria's father's age equals 8 times, plug in the value of Ria's age, that is 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. So Ria's father's age is 48. Right answer is therefore 48. Is that clear, guys? Yes? Great. Okay, let's see the next question we have. Before that, we have our toppers over here. 3-3, you're still topping, and I can see that Shrika and Putri, you have come up on the scoreboard, and 3 players, you guys have just hit answer streak 5. Very good, very good. Great going, guys. You see, those whose names are not on the scoreboard here, it's not yet time. You still have few more questions. You can come here. Your names can appear over here. Do great, guys. Do well. Okay. Let's see the next question. Select the correct option. Lily has $18. Matt has twice as much of third of the amount that Lily has, and Carolyn has $23 more than what Matt has. How much money does Carolyn have? Yeah, I can already see the answers coming. Few seconds left. Okay, so the right answer is option green, and answer is 35. 33 of you guys have given me the right answer. Very good. Now let's see why answer 35 is the right answer. Okay, so let's see the question again. Lily has $18 with her. So let me write L equals $18. Matt has, M for Matt, has twice, so 2 times, as much of third, that means as much as 1/3 of that amount which Lily has. So L. So you know that L is 18. So plug in the value times 18. You see, 18 is divisible by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 6 is 18. So 2 times 6 gives you 12 as your answer. So Matt has $12 with him. Let's see how much Carolyn has now. They have given us that Carolyn has $23 more than what Matt has. So Carolyn has $23 more than, that means adding to it, what Matt has. So 23 plus what Matt has is 12. So if you add them together, you would get 3 plus 2, which is 5, 2 plus 1, which is 3, so $35. Yes, guys? I hope this is very easy if you read it once, and then go part by part when you solve it. Yes, guys, this is actually a trick when you're solving word problems. Read the question once and then go part by part. Break the sentences, try framing the expressions over there and equations over there based on what is being given over there. Yeah, that will give you the right answer. Don't answer your word problems in a hurry. Never do that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how many are on the scoreboard with highest scores. Okay, 3-3, you're still leading. Very good. And I can see that 3 players have just hit answer streak 6. Very good, guys. Great going. So we still have few more questions left. Okay. It's not done yet. You guys can get this, your names over here on the scoreboard. Do great. Yes. Let's see. So the next question you guys have is, select the correct answer. Can you see this? A toddler was given 12 boxes of crayons, each of which contained 12 crayons. Within a week, he eventually lost half of the crayons and broke a quarter of them. How many intact crayons did the toddler have at the end of the week? Okay, I can see the answers coming. You guys still have a minute. Okay, a couple of seconds left now. Okay, and your time's up. Okay, I see that 10 of you only have given me the right answer. Well, the right answer is this blue option, which is 54. Now, why is this right? This answer right? Let's see. Okay, and all those who found it difficult to answer, listen to this very carefully. So we have read the question once. Now it's time to read the question in parts, isn't it? Just like I gave you hint in the previous question. A toddler was given 12 boxes of crayons. So I would write 12 boxes of crayons, each of which contained 12 crayons in it. That means if one box contained 12, then 12 box would contain 12 times 12 number of crayons, which is 144. Within a week, he eventually lost half of the crayons. So if he has lost half of the crayons, that means half are still intact with him. So 144 divided by 2, which gives me 72, is a number of crayons he still has intact with him. Next, let's move to the next question. So a quarter of the remaining crayons were broken, isn't it? So if out of a whole, if 1/4 of the crayons were broken, that means 3/4 of the crayons, that is 3/4 of these crayons, are still intact with him. So how much is 3/4 of 72? You see, 72 is divisible by 4. So I can just cancel off 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. I have 3 remain when I subtract 4 from 7, so 32. So 4 times 8 is 32. So 18 times 3, guys. 3 times 8 is 24. We have 2. 3 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. So we have 54 as your answer. So the right answer is therefore 54. So if you break the given word problems into halves and, or small parts and then solve it, you will never go wrong, guys. Okay, take this hint very well. Okay, let's see who gave me the right answers and still on the top. Anjad, great. And Anjad, you have the highest answer streak of 13. Very well done. Very well done. Yes. Let's see what we have next. Okay, if rule for a pattern is divide by 9 starting at 243, then the third number would be blank. Few seconds left, guys. Great. So 18 of you have given me the right answer, and the right answer is option blue, and answer is 3. Let's see why. If rule for a pattern is divide by 9 starting at 243, then the third number would be. So we start with the first number, that is 243. The next number should be 243 divided by 9. How much would that be? You see, through 243 is, we have 9 times 2 is 18, right? And 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. 63 is left. 9 times 7 is 63. So if you divide 243 by 9, you would get 27. So the second number is 27. So the third number would be 27 divided by 9 again. You know, 27 divided by 9 is 3. Therefore, the third number is 3. So this is what they have asked. The third number would be what? The answer would be 3. I hope you guys have understood this as well. All those who haven't given me the right answer, if yes, you know, guys, what to do. Great. Yes. Okay. So let's see how many are leading on the scoreboard now. Okay, I can see that Anjad, you're still intact in that place. And sure, guy, if that's how I read your name, you are 5 places up. Very good. Very good. Great going, guys. We still have 4 questions left, so don't panic. Your name can still come on the scoreboard. Let's see. So the next question we have is, if relationship between the two numbers in each ordered pair is the same, the graph for the rules given will be. Okay, I can see the answers coming very quickly. Yes. Still have 30 seconds left. Great. So the right answer is the option number, not number, the option red. Okay, and 28 of you have given me the right answers. Okay, let's see why is this option the right answer. Okay, so we have this rules given to us, rule 1 and rule 2, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. You know, these rules can be written as coordinate pairs as 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3 and 9, and also 4, 12. Now, all the all the numbers in the rule 1, they form the coordinates of x-axis, and all the numbers which are under rule 2, they will be forming the coordinate pairs corresponding values on the y-axis. Now let's try drawing this on a graph. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put this over here for x-axis, and let's take the multiples of 3 on y-axis, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So let's plot it. The first one is 0, 0. So the first point would be over here. Next is 1, 3. So it would be here. First we go to the right and then towards the top or bottom, isn't it? We first plot the x-axis value and then the y coordinate value, right? So 2 and 6, which comes here, 3 and 9, and also 4 and 12, which would come here. So if we join all the points together, we get a straight line. So the answer for this question is a straight line. Let's see who is still topping. Okay, I can see Anjad has given, is still topping, and 4. Shy guy, you are 4 places up. Very good. Very good. Let's see the next question we have. Select the correct option. So here is the sequence of numbers from different rules, 2 different rules. The first rule is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Rule 2 is 0, 4, 16, 64, 256, and 1024. So which among these graphs will be the correct graph for this rule? Yes, I can see all the answers coming very quickly. Five seconds left. Okay, yes. So the right answer for this is option red, and 17 of you guys have given me the right answer. Now let's check why is this the right answer. You see, the rule given to us is 0, 0, 2, 4. If I put them in the coordinate pairs, then I have 0 and 0. Let me change this color so that you can see it clearly. 0, 0, 2, 4, 4, 16, 6, 64, and so on, isn't it? Now, if I try plotting this on a graph, you see the options they have given to us is, in the first one, we have 0, 200, 400, 600, 800. Yes, this is the scale which we need for these coordinates, because we have the numbers which are, the y coordinates have bigger numbers, right? So if we see only these 2 graphs have those numbers. If we see the third graph which we have over here, this doesn't have those numbers given on the y-axis. So we can opt out. Then we can see this and this. If you see that in this graph which they have given in the blue section here, the blue option here, the graph starts from 0, but then it goes down. It takes a dip in the negative, isn't it? We do not have any negative numbers over here. So it's very clear that the first option is the right option. Again, you know that how to plot the same given coordinates on coordinate pairs on a graph. So if we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and we take 100, 200, 300 over here, the graph we would get is 0, 0 will be here, 2, 2 would be somewhere here, 4, 16 would be somewhere here, 6, 64 would be somewhere over here. So if we join them all together, we would get a graph like this, which is same as this one. I hope the idea is clear to you guys. Yeah? Yes, thank you. So let's see the next question we have. But before that, let's see the scoreboard as well. Okay, Anjad, you're still topping, and Sridhar, you made A comeback with 3 in a row. Very good. Very good. And Nathan, I can also see that your scores are going up and you have already reached the scoreboard here. Very good. Let's see the next question we have. Okay. This is a very easy question. I hope each of you will give me the right answer for this. 37 is divisible by blank numbers. Just few seconds left, guys. Great. Most of you have given me the right answer. And yes, the right answer is 2. Now, why is 37 divisible only by 2 numbers? Yeah, we call these kind of numbers some specific name, isn't it? We call this by a certain name. What is that? Can you guys tell me? Yeah? Put it down in the chat section, guys. What are these kind of numbers called that are divisible just by itself and 1? Give me a thumbs up when you're done posting your answers. Yes. Yes, great. I can see Tilochan, Gayatri. Okay, great. So the right answer for this is prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible by just 1 and the number itself, or they just have 2 factors, right? What do we guys call the numbers which are divisible by more than 2 numbers? Yes, composite numbers, is it? Yes, can recall? Great. Yes, Viraj, I could see your thumbs up. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys, let's see the last question of this session that is coming to you after the scoreboard. So, Anjad, you're still leading, and Nathan and Khab. Great, guys. You guys are going up on the scoreboard. And Anvil, you're back in the game with 3 in a row. Great going. Okay, let's see the last question now. Okay, prime factorization of 175 is blank. I can already see the answers coming. Great. So 32 of you guys have given me the right answer, and the right answer is the option yellow. Why is this right answer? Because you see, we have the number given to us that is, what is the number? 175, isn't it? So 175 can be written as, factors, prime factors as I would be using a tree factorization method here. You have 175. Now looking at this last digit, that is 5, I can say that this number is divisible by 5, and 5 is one of the prime numbers. So 5 goes in one of the branches. We have 175 divided by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. We have 2 remain, 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So 35 is the answer. 3 times 35 gives you 175. But you see, 35 is not a prime number. We need to divide this again. So if we split this, 5 times 7 gives you 35. You see, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, and one more 5 is also a prime number. So the prime factorization of 175 can be written as the product of 5 times 5 times 7. So this is the right answer. Okay, you guys have done really great, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. This was the last question of the session, guys. Yeah, did you guys like this? Show me your emotions and your emojis. Okay, Trisha, I can see your thumbs up. Great. Yes. Oh wow, I can see this. Yes, Nihal, that was a good one. Trisha as well. Okay, great. So we are not done yet. There is very important thing and very interesting thing coming to you guys next. Okay, so let me take you guys over there. Okay. Okay, let me take you guys to that session here. Yes. Tell me, guys, if you can see something with the PPT on the screen. Can you see that screen now? Yes, I can see the thumbs up coming. Very good. So guys, now I want you guys to quickly go and call your parents, because I have something very interesting coming to you guys. Yeah, and if your parents are here, do give me an emoji there. Okay, so I hope all parents are here. Hi again, parents. So today's was a very insightful session, and congratulations to all the students on successfully revising the domain, the first domain of grade 5, that is operations in algebraic thinking. Now what next? You see, this is a marathon, and you have several milestones to cover. So the next thing which comes to you is the homework. You will be receiving practice worksheets that will be shared on email to you guys, and you will have to practice that. So give me a thumbs up there, guys, again. So if we are going to practice the homeworks, will you? Yes, I can see all your thumbs up, guys. Very good. So let me now come to the next mission details we have. That is the second domain, which will be covered on 16th of April at the same time. That is the numbers and operations in base 10. Okay, and I hope you guys will be ready with all your preparations, and we will revise the same concepts again, just like we did today. So next thing is the interesting thing which I wanted you guys to know. That is, that 98th percentile comes to you with a new event every month. So this is that event, which is very interesting. So you guys may be loving, telling stories, your fictional tales to all your friends and your family. You may be also loving those, comics that you read. Okay, have you guys tried drawing those comic characters of yours, the most loved comic characters of yours? Yes, then this is the right opportunity for you guys. Okay, 98th percentile is bringing to you 98th percentile comics, where you can unleash your inner cartoonist and tell your tales with your comic strips. Isn't that great? Yeah. So this will be for the students from grade 1 up to 6, and will be commencing in the month of June 2021. And there will be no participation fee. And cherry on the top is that if you win, you will be getting a bumper prize worth of $1,000 of awards and scholarship. Cool, right? Yes. Okay. So look at the link in the chat section there and register now. Okay. Yes. So just one last thing. Thank you all for being so cooperative and having a wonderful moment here in the session. And let's now capture this in a group photo. Okay. So are you guys all ready? Yeah. Okay. Say cheese. Okay, you guys. So let's meet in the next session then. Till then, have a wonderful time and take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, bye.